Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys a few different ways of how to copy and paste text on your computer. This will also work for images and other things as well, but for the purpose of this tutorial I just want to use text as the example. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start just by doing what I prefer to be one of the most simple methods for people that are just learning to begin to copy and paste. So I'm going to open up two notepad files here. So you could simulate this as one of them perhaps as a web document. You can perhaps suggest that one of these is a document you're working on and you want to paste it over to another document or a web browser or something. So let's say the window on the left here, let's say I'm going to have a saying here. So this is text. Let's say I want to copy this over here. So in order to copy it, I'm going to just highlight over. I'm holding down the left mouse pointer, like on your mouse. You want to hold down the left side of it. So just click on it, and while you're holding down and applying pressure, you want to drag it over the text. So once you have this highlighted, you want to release pressure on it. You still should have it highlighted here. Now that it's highlighted, you want to right click on it, left click on copy from this menu. So it should be the third option from the top. So left click on copy. Now that it's copied, you want to go over to the right window here. You know you're inside of it because it's not grayed out at the top. As you can see, the other side, it's not an active window because it's a lighter text up here. So when I move between windows, you can see one of them becomes the active window. You want to make sure you're pasting it into the place that you want it to go. So that's the whole idea of what I'm trying to show here. So now that we're over in this active window we want to paste it into, I'm going to right click and then left click on paste. So again, right click in a blank spot where you want it to go, and then left click on paste. And you can see that it's been pasted in. Another method would be to, again, apply pressure on the left section of the mouse pointer. So hold that down and then drag it over the text again. Now on your keyboard, you want to tap the Control and the C key on your keyboard at the same time. At this point, you shouldn't be touching your mouse anymore. It should already be highlighted on your screen. So just tap Control C at the same time pretty quick. Now that you've done that, head over to the other window here and tap Control V now that you're in this window, and you can see it's pasted in. So again, Control C copies and then Control V paste. So you might wonder why Control P doesn't paste. Well, Control P opens up the print dialog window. So if you've ever wondered, Control C copy, Control V paste. That's the keyboard shortcut method. I personally interchange methods depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes I might Control C when I want to copy something and then right click and paste. You're welcome to intermingle the methods. I don't want to make them that complicated though. The same idea would go for pictures as well. You could just more than likely just highlight over it, do Control C and then Control V somewhere else, or right click on the image to copy it and then right click paste to paste it somewhere. The dialog window method, where you saw the whole menu options like this screen, might be more useful if you're trying to just get used to the thing, if you're just trying to get used to it. And the keyboard shortcut method might be if you're a little more advanced, but it really doesn't matter. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.